Right now, here's a look at what happened in the Lightning Red Wings game. Take a look.
Kucherov's got it. Point. Circles. Has a little room. Waits. Feeds it back. They score! Kucherov converts! And the Lightning get that second point. They sweep another back-to-back. And they get to 81 points, one behind the Bruins. Kucherov scoring his 38th goal in overtime.